Hi everyone, welcome back to News 47. So today I will be telling you about why does the Modi government wants to ban cryptocurrencies. In recent weeks, discussions about cryptocurrency have been everywhere. Decentralized digital currencies secured by cryptography were the subjects of a prime ministerial meeting, a statement by the Reserve Bank of India governor, and were featured in the barrage of a advertisement during cricket matches. On November 23 came the news that the Lok Sabha is set to table a draft legislation on cryptocurrencies. There have been a great deal of speculation about whether the law will be prohibit cryptocurrencies or merely attempt to regulate them. Already in March 2020, a Reserve Bank of India ban cryptocurrencies was overturned by the Supreme Court. Supporters of cryptocurrency says that digital currencies lower the cost of transaction and bring more transparency to the financial system. But skeptics says that they were worried about the lack of government control over such instructions and that they could be used to finance illegal activities. This is what you need to know about the situation. What is actually happening? Last week, Lok Sabha bulletin listing the agenda for the winter session of Parliament said that the government will introduce cryptocurrency and regulation of official digital currency bill 2021. The bill aims to create a facilitative framework for creation of the official digital currency to be issued by the Reserve Bank of India. The bill also seeks to prohibit the private cryptocurrencies in India. The bulletin said, however, it allowed for the certain expectations to promote the underlying technologies of cryptocurrencies and its uses. Officially, this is all that is known about the bill, but news reports have speculated about what it could be contain. Some suggest that while the government might not be in favor in the outright ban, the Reserve Bank of India is. Some reports say that the few cryptocurrencies may be allowed and the cryptocurrencies gain may be heavily taxed. Some reports suggest that the government will ban all cryptocurrencies and lay down an exit period for those who currently possesses cryptocurrencies. What is cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency is protected by cryptography. This refers to a method of encrypting communication using a code so that it can be only accessed by the people for whom it is intended. Cryptocurrency is produced by mining it. Powerful computers are deployed to break these codes for which they are rewarded with the currency. So thank you all and keep watching News 47.